No, I am not worried about Tesla suing me, Elon suing me for selling this, because I did sign an agreement with Tesla when I configured this that I wouldn't sell it within a year. But I did mention to all of my dealer buddies that I do want to sell my Cybertruck, and they called some of their bigger wholesaler friends, and a lot of them are scared and bidding a little under MSRP now because they obviously want to make money if they wholesale it, or if they're stuck with it for a long time, then they don't want to continue to ride that wave down. Because it's not just with Tesla and the Foundation series going away, leading to huge depreciation. It's just the same with electric cars in general, because they are so darned expensive that when they reach the secondary market, the buyers they're used are buying it at a much lower price point. Test drove a Lucid that was $155,000 new for $79,000, so half depreciation. The ride was a little bit too jittery for me, a little too harsh, but overall beautiful quality. Tesla Model 3s you can get now for under $20,000 with autopilot. You pay the subscription and you have autopilot. Audi e-tron, similar thing, about half off. There's so many EVs that are half off after 1 or 2 years of ownership, where that makes a lot of sense to buy them. And maybe someday I will come back to the Cybertruck and buy it used, cheap, and depreciated, and then deal with all the issues and lose money that way, because that's how I like to lose money. But for now, just with straight up depreciation, it feels really, really stupid. And no, I am not worried about Tesla suing me, Elon suing me for selling this, because I did sign an agreement with Tesla when I configured this that I wouldn't sell it within a year. I'd give them first right of refusal at MSRP minus a mileage, and if they decline, then I could sell it. But I can sell it for MSRP right now to where I don't lose anything. So I'm not making any money, but Tesla could technically sue me for $50,000, and if that happens, it'll be ridiculous. They're not doing it to anybody. The worst thing they're doing is banning people from buying future Teslas, which if they do that to me, I guess I'll just deal with it. So I know I have an offer right now to where I'm not losing money. And it also gets me into another brand new vehicle that I really, really like. But before I drop off and say goodbye to my Tesla, I do have to see what Carmax has to say, because they may want it for their own inventory, pay even more than MSRP for it, because the auction values are still kind of crazy right now. They're up and down, but every single week it just gets lower and lower and lower. But if they base their wholesale values on even 2 weeks ago, they could bid $10,000, $20,000 over MSRP for this thing. So, well, fingers crossed on that, but we'll see.